Rest assured, your order will arrive by Friday. She turned down the offer to transfer to Nagoya. He set up the display on his own before opening. Staff were hired in anticipation of the busy season. She landed a job at a hotel near Kyoto Station. The sign was propped up against the front door. If you've never tried this ramen, you're in for a treat. The rain let up just as the outdoor event started. The company cut back on travel expenses this year. She jotted down the client's request during the call.